Messado facing September trial for allegedly defrauding Mavado in house deal.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Disbarred attorney Jennifer Messado is to go on trial on September 12th in connection with allegations that she defrauded dancehall artist Mavado more than $30 million in a real estate transaction. The trial date was set on Thursday, April 7th, when Messado appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court for a plea and a case management hearing. However, the matter is to be mentioned on May 5th for the court to decide whether Mavado, whose real name is David Brooks, will be allowed to give testimony via video link from the United States. In court on Thursday, Brooks' attorney Oswest Senior Smith made an application for him to testify remotely. Messado is accused of defrauding the entertainer in a real estate deal in 2017. It is alleged that in April of that year, Mavado was introduced to a property at Grosvenor Terrace in Kingston 8 and started making arrangements to purchase the property through his attorney Tamika Harris. Messado reportedly professed to have been given permission to oversee the sale as the owner was incarcerated overseas. Mavado later reportedly paid Messado $30.7 million for the property and signed a sale agreement and a document giving him possession. However, it was later discovered that the property was not for sale and that the owner was not incarcerated. The owner of the property further indicated that he did not know Messado and never gave her permission to sell his property. Following the alleged fraud, Mavado was reportedly reimbursed $7 million. However, after several attempts to recover his money failed, he reported the matter to the police and Messado was arrested and charged with obtaining money by a false pretense.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!